So, welcome to our channel Electronics on Wheel and thank you for your support. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you like the content of this channel. So, in last video, we have discussed about the ADAS, what are the components. So, we are now taking one by one component. So, the first component is camera. We call it camera sensors as well. So, seeing is believing, and this is exactly what ADAS camera enable for emerging advanced driver assistance system. Gone are the days for the drivers using mirrors and window to understand the driving environment. Now, camera based technology is used to help the driver and the vehicles react and respond to the world around them. ADAS systems rely on cameras to quickly and accurately detect and recognize other vehicles, pedestrians, obstacle, traffic signs, and the lanes. The information captured by ADAS cameras is quickly analyzed by supporting softwares and used to trigger a response by vehicles to improve the safety, such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, driver awake, and alert monitoring, blind spot alerts, and so on. Not only are cameras being used to enable ADAS system, they are the key for the automakers racing to implement eyes off and mind off level of autonomous driving. You might have heard the SCAE autonomous driving level 4 and 5 in my previous video. So the vehicles can see and analyze the world around it when it is driving itself, or we call it autonomous driving. So the first is ADAS camera, that how they work. So advanced driving assistance system using camera based sensor help the driver and vehicle have a greater awareness of driving environment. That is the first thing. The cameras are positioned outside the vehicle on the front, back, and sides to capture the image of the road, street sign, street signs, pedestrian vehicles, and other obstacle. Images captured by the cameras are analyzed by supporting software, and the information then trigger a response to improve the safety. This could be automatically initiating emergency braking, alerting the driver that they are drifting out of the lane, or that there is a vehicle in their blind spot, or helping them in parking. So if we talk about the application of cameras, so cameras are used in LDW. LDW is nothing but lane departure warning. LK, that is our lane keep assist. Then TSR, that is traffic sign recognition and pedestrian detection system. Camera sensor provide detailed visual data and enable advanced capabilities. So there are many applications, some of them like adaptive cruise control, automatic driving, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, keep assist, high beam activation, and so on. Now we will see how many different type of cameras we have. So there are three different type of mainly cameras are installed in the vehicles. One is sensing camera, second is surround view cameras, and driving monitoring cameras. So sensing cameras, if you see, are installed in the upper part of the windshield. It senses a wide area to ensure the safety of the front of the vehicle. Surround view cameras units are installed on the front, back, left, and right of the body of the vehicle to sense the surrounding area, and it can sense around 1 meter around entire perimeter of the vehicle and ensure the safety in the vicinity of the vehicle. Then third type of cameras are driver monitoring cameras. They are installed near the meter cluster of the vehicle. It senses the driver's health condition to ensure the safe driving. Now moving to the next thing, that is related to our cameras only. So as you can see in this table, that sensing cameras uses for the AD autonomous driving and driving assistance as well. So it does sensing, decide, and command. Then application of this in various driving assistance system like LKA, LCA, AEB. Already I have told you the a full description of these abbreviated forms. Then second is surround view camera, that is helping in driving assistance and image display of the vehicle's entire surrounding. As you know, there are four camera which are in the front, back, and left and right of the vehicle, and it is useful in the parking assistant. Then third type of camera, that is driver monitoring cameras, that is useful in autonomous driving and monitoring the driver's awareness status. It does sensing, decide, and then command. Then DMS is the driver monitoring system. This is used for that. Now coming to the what type of different features we have and cameras, what exactly they do. So suppose lane departure warning, if you see, so camera track the road marking in lane keep assist, the camera sees the lane marking and forward path. Then road departure mitigation, road edges marking, and specifically some the and there is a gap, that service lane is there, those marking it identify by the cameras. Then traffic sign recognition, then some have dedicated camera for this particular purpose, that they will capture the particular things. Then forward collision warning, that cameras looks for the obstruction. Then in automatic emergency braking, basically to decide or detect the distance to the next vehicle. Then adaptive cruise control, that is detecting and gauging the distance to the next vehicle. Then pedestrian detection, that determining the pedestrian from the other moving things. Then automatic automatic high beams, that is sense light levels and detects the vehicles. And there are some other also like parking assistance and blind spot. So some of the vehicles, some of the OEMs uses ultrasonic sensor for parking assistance, but there are many companies like Tesla which is using cameras only, rear and mounted cameras, which are you going to use for these functions as well. Explain you further. Thank you for your time. Please like, subscribe, and comment.